Mr. Sponge Chipmunk here, and today I'm going to be just doing a quick video of the Tim Hortons codes from the smoothies. I have two that I didn't use. Okay, this is one code. One code. It's my sister walking. I'm going to read it. DNW2 LP3F. Really, I didn't use them. Somebody did. You have to use it quick. My second code. HZ. There's no two H's, okay? Okay, I'll read you it again. HZWJ4CZ8. That's it for the video. Comment, rate, and subscribe.